Here we are going to discuss about Euclid's division lemma. Euclid was mathematician, famous mathematician, and here division is your normal divide, जैसे हम लोग divide करते हैं, and lemma means your algorithm. That means you can say this is steps. तो इस यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेमा में कौन कौन से स्टेप्स हैं, क्या एल्गोरिथम है, उस पे हम लोग बात करते हैं. तो हम लोग लिख सकते हैं लेट ए एंड बी आर टू पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, then there exist unique integer q and r. Then there exists unique integer q and r such that you can write a is equals to bq plus r and r is greater than equals to 0 and less than b. ये b से छोटा होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम इसको इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं कि मान लिया b आपके पास कोई इंटीजर है और b से हम a को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं और ये डिवाइड करने के दौरान ये आपके q टाइम्स हम इसको डिवाइड किए और यहाँ पर आपके पास कोई इंटीजर आया. लेट दिस इज एनी इंटीजर. नाउ सब्सट्रैक्ट दिस फ्रॉम a. आफ्टर सब्सट्रैक्टिंग यू विल गेट हियर r. ये आपके पास r है. r is here remainder. This is here remainder. This is remainder. Now a is equal to here b into q and plus r. The minimum value of r is here 0. Minimum value of r is 0. And r lies from 0 to b. And this is valid for any positive integer. For example, if your number is your like 7 and 9, divide 9 with 7, you will get, this is 7, 1 is 7, this is 2. That means you can write here 9 is equal to 7 into 1 plus 2. And this is the format and this format is here. इसी format को यहाँ पर लिखा गया है. ठीक है. And here r is greater than equals to 0 and less than b. We can write any two positive number in this form. A is equals to bq plus r and r is here greater than equals to 0 and less than b. For example, next example here, let number is here 11 and 2. Now you can write, divide 11 with 2, you will get 2 5 ja, this is 10 and this is your 1. That means you can write here 11 is equals to here 2 into 5 plus 1. This is the format here. A is here 11. This is A. This is here B. This is here Q. And this is R. R is here remainder. Euclid division algorithm. What is Euclid division algorithm? Actually the meaning of algorithm is step by step your solution. Euclid division algorithm is the application of Euclid division lemma, and here this is the technique to compute the highest common factor HCF, highest common factor of two positive integers. That means this is the process to find the HCF of two number using your Euclid division lemma. These are the following steps to find the HCF of two number a and b, where a is greater than b. Step 1. Apply Euclid division lemma to a and b to find two whole number q and r such that first apply Euclid division lemma. That means a is equal to bq plus r, and where r is greater than equals to 0 and less than b. This is Euclid division lemma. In first step you have to apply this. यानी जो दिया गया नंबर है आपके पास a और b, जिसमें a बड़ा है b से, अगर a बड़ा है, if a is greater than b then you have to write here a. If B is greater than A, you have to write B here. That means A is equals to BQ plus R, and here R is greater than equals to 0 and less than B. मान लिया कोई नंबर दिया हुआ है आपके पास, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 and your number is 5. Here number 5 is greater than 2 and you have to find the HCF of 2 and 5. तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, you have to write 5 is equals to here 5 को हम इस ऐसे लिखेंगे, तो इसको डिवाइड कर देते हैं 5 को. दैट मीन्स दिस इज 2 2 जा 4, दैट मीन्स दिस इज योर 4. तो ये माइनस किया, दैट मीन्स दिस इज, तो इसको हम लिखेंगे 2 into 2 plus 1. तो हम इसको इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं. तो हियर R is here, A is here 5 and this is B. B is here 2, that means you can write this is B, and this is here, this is Q, and this is remainder is here 1. So this is the first step. In first step you have to write A equals BQ plus R. R is greater than equals to 0 less than B. If your A and B are two given number where A is greater than B. This is the first step. In second step, you have 2. This is step 2. So in first step we have already explained that you have to write, if your number is A and B, then you have to write A equals BQ plus R, and R is greater than equals to 0 less than B. In second step, if R equals to 0, मान लिया R 0 है. If R is 0, that means A is equals to, you can write BQ. In this case, HCF of A and B will be B. Okay? If R is not equal to 0, but if R is not equal to 0, then apply Euclid division lemma. Then apply Euclid's division lemma. बात करते हैं. Now step 3. What is step 3? If your R is not equal to 0. Step 2 में we have already seen that if R is equal to 0, then HCF of A and B will be B. In step 3, if R is not equal to 0, then continue this process till the remainder of 10 is 0. If R is not equal to 0, then continue this process means Euclid division lemma. You have to apply this process till remainder, continue this process till remainder is 0. तब तक करना है जब तक कि remainder 0 ना हो जाए. Now the divisor at the end will be the required HCF of A and B. The divisor at the end is required HCF of A and B. Finally, your divisor is your HCF of A and B. Now let one example. Find the HCF of 70 and 450, or HCF of 70 and 450 using Euclid division lemma, EDA. Euclid division lemma. You have to use Euclid division lemma to find the HCF of 70 and 450. So first here, let this number is B. This number is B and this number is A here. A is greater than B. A is greater than B, that means you can write 450 is greater than 70. That means here divide 450 by 70. So 450, that means you can write here, this is your 30. That means after subtraction you will get this. That means you can write 450 is equal to, you can write 70 into 6 plus 30. Now this is here A, this is here B, this is Q, and this is here R. A quotient, this is remainder. Now again repeat the step. Here R is not equal to 0. You have to repeat the step till R is 0. तब तक करना है जब तक कि R 0 ना हो जाए. Again आप क्या करेंगे, फिर से क्या करेंगे, 30 से हम आपको इसको क्या करेंगे, 30 and you have to divide 70. तो 70 को डिवाइड करते हैं, you will get this is 60. That means this is your 10. That means you can write 70 is equals to you can write this is 30 into 2 plus this is 10. आप लिख सकते हैं इसको 70 is equals to 30 into 2 plus 10. Next again फिर से इसको क्या करेंगे, 30 को डिवाइड करेंगे 10 से. That means you can write this is 30. That means this is 3 and this is now remainder is 0. इस स्टेप में आपका रिमाइंडर जो हो गया वो 0 हो गया. That means 30 is equals to you can write here 10 into 3 plus this is 0. In this step you get R equals 0. जब R 0 आ गया that means here this is your divisor and this 10 is the HCF. यही डिविजर जो हो गया, फाइनल स्टेप का जो डिविजर है, this is your HCF of your 70 and 450 is 10. Here this is the question of NCERT. So that every positive integer, even integer, will be the form of 2q and every positive odd integer will be the form of 2q plus 1. You have to prove where q is some integer. Let a be positive integer. Let a be positive integer and b equals to then by Euclid division lemma, वो आपका यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा है, a equals bq plus r and r is greater than equals to 0 less than your b and b is here 2. That means you can write 2q a equals, you can write 2q plus r and here r is greater than equals to 0 and less than 2. That means 0 से बड़ा and 2 से छोटा और 0 के इक्वल. That means 0 and 1 2 integers, यही दो इंटीजर है. तो you can put here that means a is equals to 2q plus 0. That implies a is equals to 2q and here a equals, this is again right here, if r is 1 that means a is equal to your 2q plus 1. That means you can write if a is the form of 2q then a is even integer and if a is the form of 2q plus 1 then it will be odd integer. Therefore any positive odd integer will be the form of 2q plus 1 and any positive even integer will be the form of a equals 2q. Let us see your next example. Find the HCF of 125 and 45 using Euclid division algorithm. तो यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा को यूज करते हैं and we are going to find the HCF of 125 and 45. How to find the HCF of 125 and 45 using Euclid division algorithm? Here let a equals 125 and b equals 45 and here a is greater than b. So as per your Euclid division lemma, you can write a is equals to bq plus r. For this you have to divide 125 with 45, 125. So this means you can write here this is 90. That means after cancellation you will get this is your 35. That means 125 can be expressed in terms of your 45, 2 and 35. This is remainder. So that means you can write this is 45 into 2 plus 35. This is here A, this is B, this is Q, and this one is remainder, that means R. Again 45 डिवाइड 45. अब 45 को डिवाइड करेंगे, 45 को डिवाइड करने के लिए देखिए दिस इज 45, फिर से इसको लिखते हैं, दिस इज 35, दैट मीन्स दिस विल बी 10. दैट मीन्स यू कैन राइट 45 इक्वल्स टू 45 is equals to 35 into 1 plus 10. Now remainder is 10. Now again divide with 10. Now 10 with your 35. 35 को divide करते हैं 10 से, तो you will get this is your 3. That means this will be 30 and this is 5. That means you can write 35 is equals to 10 into 3 plus 5. Again divide 10 by 5. That means you will get this is 10. 5 2s are 10. That means now this is remainder is 0. So you have to repeat the step till remainder becomes 0. That means you can write 10 is equals to 5 into 2 plus 0. And here this is divisor. That means 5 is HCF of 75, 40, 125 and 45. And 5 is your HCF. That means you can say that 5 is the highest number which divides 125 and 45. Express the following as a product of prime factors. That means all factors should be your prime number. For example, if your number is 156, that means you can factorize 156 here. This is 2, this is 7, this one, and 2, 3, and this is 9, this is 3, 1, and this is 3. Now you can write 156 is equal to here, this is 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2 into this is 3 to the power 1 into 13 to the power 1. That means this base should be prime number. देखिए this is 2, 3 and 13. This is prime number and this one is 2, 1, 1. ये कुछ भी हो सकता है but this should be prime number. 156 को हमने break कर दिया आपका ये prime factors के form में as a product of prime factors. Next, let your number is your 5005. 5005. That means again you can 5005 here. This is 5 1. This is 00. This is 1. Now this is 7. This is 1. That means 3. This is this one and this one 43. 43. Now you can break 43. This is 3 and 11. 11 you can write 11 here this one and this is 13. That means 5005 can be expressed as 7 your in increasing order. This is 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. This is in terms of your prime factor. ये प्राइम फैक्टर के टर्म में आपका एक्सप्रेस्ड है. If your question is given that HCF of 306 and 657 is 9, find the LCM of 306 and 657. So here we are going to solve. Let us see. HCF into LCM. HCF into LCM is equal to product of two given number. Product of two given number. And here HCF is 9 and this is LCM is equals to product. That means 306 into 657. That means LCM is equals to 306 into 657 divided by 9. Solve this, you will get your answer. This is your answer. Question is find the HCF and LCM of the numbers 30, 72 and 432 using prime factorization method. Using prime factorization method. तो चलिए देखते हैं प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से हम इसके एलसीएम को और एचसीएफ को कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे। तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप, फर्स्ट पहले 30 को लेते हैं। 30 तो 2 से ये जाएगा 15, इसको फिर 3 से, तो ये हो गया आपके पास 5। अगेन 72, तो 72 के लिए लिखेंगे 2, तो दिस इज 36। अगेन 2, दिस इज 18, तो 2 9 and this is 3 and 432, तो 432 को करते हैं हम फिर 2 से, तो दिस इज 216। अगेन 2, this will be 108। अगेन 2, this is 54। अगेन 2, you will get this is 27। अगेन 3, this is 9 and 3। That means your numbers are here. This is 30. So 30 you can write 2 into 3 into 5. This is 2 into 3 into 5. And this is 72. 72 you can write 2 to the power 3. 1, 2, 3 and into 3 to the power 2. And here 432. 432 you can write 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 2 to the power 4, 3 to the into 3 to the power 3. Now your answer for HCF. So HCF will be here 2 to the power 4, and this one is your common. Which number is common? So here 2, 2 and 2. This is 2 here. This is and 3, 3, 3. तो अब आप लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे this is 2 into 3, that means your HCF of 30, 72 and 432 is your 6, and LCM of 30, 72 and 432 is your 2 to the power 4 into your 3 to the power 3 into 5. That means 2 to the power 4 is your 16. This is 16 and this is 27 into 5. That means this will be your 2160. This is 80 and 80 into this one, 2160. That means LCM is 2160 and HCF is 6.